Hey, to connect Nothing Ear 2 with any Android device, first of all, you have to input both earbuds inside the charging case, charge them for like 5 minutes before the pairing, and simply you have to open this case. Now, you have to find this button and click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking white. Now you have to release this button, keep that case open, and put it close to your device, and first of all, you should actually navigate into the Bluetooth settings. So just locate the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, click to pair a new device, and select from available devices list Ear 2. Just be sure that the indicator is blinking. Then accept the pairing. And now we can use our earbuds. But also we can add them into the application. So you will have to open the Google Play Store. Click on the search and you have to get the Nothing X application. This is actually the name of the application that we have to download. I already have it on my phone, but I'm gonna actually get rid of it and show you step by step how to set them up. So just click on this install button, and for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now just wait a little bit for this installation process. It will take around a few moments, and now we can finally open it. Accept all of these permissions. I've got here my Ear 1, but I don't want to connect with them, so I'm gonna just forget them. Okay, for some reason I cannot do this, but never mind. If you were previously connected to the Nothing Ear or Nothing Ear 1, just click here on this left upper corner and select to pair a new device. Accept the Bluetooth permission, just accept everything. And now as you can see, it's scanning for the nearby devices, so we have to select the Ear 2. And now we have to click to set up this device. There we go. From this we can find some quick tutorial about the gestures. Now we can just click to that's all. And now we even got the firmware update, so we can click here, but I'm gonna do this later. And as you can see, that's how we can do this step by step. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.